We are Take a Chance puppies, and these are my Cocker Spaniel puppies. All of the puppies from this litter have been adopted. They're all doing great. This little girl here is black, white, and tan. Her name is Daphne. She's such a sweet little girl. This guy here is Cash. He is black and white. Such a sweet baby. Yes. They have already been groomed, so they have a cocker clip. This guy here is Oakley. Oakley, such a handsome boy. Say we all are. Yes, we are. Pretty babies. This little girl here is Chloe. Chloe is buff and white. Such a sweet little girl. Yes, she is also the runt of the litter. And this little girl here is Pepper. Pepper is black. She has some white markings on her. Yes, I'm a sweet girl. Yes. Busy, busy. Yes. Pretty babies. Oakley again. And this is Cash. Hey there, pretty baby. As soon as Jessie comes over here, I can get her in the video. Come here, girl. Okay, this is Jessie. Jessie is black, white, and tan, too. She has some nice tan markings. Such a pretty baby. Yeah, pretty babies. All the pretty babies. Yes, them are. These puppies are AKC registered. They come with a 2-year health guarantee. And they will go to the vet on Thursday, a couple more days, for a well exam. Yeah, pretty babies. And the vet will do their first vaccine. This is Chloe again, buff and white. Pretty little girl. Say, look at all my color. Yes. Say, I'm a pretty girl. And this is Jessie again, black, white, and tan. And this is Pepper again. Pretty girl. Pretty babies. Yes. Cash. Hey there, buddy. Hey there, pretty boy. Yeah, pretty babies. And let me get Daphne here. Black, white, and tan. She has lots of black. Oh, goodness. Are you getting feisty with me? Black, white, and tan. Pretty girl. Then Oakley over there. He loves that squeaky toy. Yes, he does. Again, we are Take a Chance puppies. The parents to this litter are Phoebe and Noah, and they are on my website. Yeah, pretty babies. Chloe and Pepper. Pretty babies. Yes. Here, girl. And Daphne again. Yeah, pretty babies. Come here, girl. This is Oakley. Yeah, pretty babies. Yeah. He has some really nice spots. Yes, so does Cash. Yes, pretty babies. 2 males and 4 females in this litter. Yes. Sorry, guys, you're outnumbered this time. Yeah. Yes, you're outnumbered this time. Yeah, pretty babies. All these pretty babies. Love the cocker clip. The black is so pretty. Yes. Say yes, it is. And here's Jessie again. Black, white, and tan. Pretty girl. Yes, pretty girl. She has the most white on her. Yeah, pretty babies. Goodness, sibling rivalry. Yes. Pretty babies. Goodness. Yeah. As you can see, they're very playful and they love attention. And they're all doing great. Cash again. Oakley. Yeah. And babies, yeah. Daphne. Yeah. Let me grab Pepper here. Here she is. Pepper. They're AKC registered. Yes. Pretty babies. 2-year health guarantee. They've been dewormed regularly. Chloe. Yes. They've had everything they need. And Jessie. Yeah, pretty babies. Love all the puppy babies. Yes. Oakley again. Yes. Cash. Yeah, sweet babies. Pepper. Pretty babies. Oh my goodness. What are you fussing about? Black, white, and tan, Jessie. Yes. Sable and white, Oakley. Yeah, pretty babies. All them pretty babies. Black, white, and tan, Daphne. Yes. Chloe. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Oakley. Yeah, pretty boy. Very sweet, very playful babies. And a little feisty, too. Yes. Jessie again. Pretty girl. Yeah, Cash again. Yeah. All the pretty babies. Chloe, Oakley, Pepper. Hey, dear Pepper. Yeah, pretty babies. Yes. Let's get Jessie back in here. Yeah, pretty babies. Yeah. All the pretty babies. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Again, we are Take a Chance Puppies. And these are Cocker Spaniel puppies. Thank you for watching our video.